He reads books. هغه کتابونه لولي. He reads books. He sings well. هغه ښه سندره وایي. He sings well. He drives fast. هغه تیز ګاډی چلوي. He drives fast. He eats a lot. هغه ډیر خوراک کوي. He eats a lot. He works hard. هغه مهنت کوي. He works hard. He goes to school. هغه مکتب ته ځي. مکتب یعنی سکول. He goes to school. He plays cricket. هغه کرکټ کوي. He plays cricket. He lives in Karachi. هغه په کراچۍ کې اوسیږي. He lives in Karachi. He likes tea. هغه چای خوښوي. He likes tea. He helps his mother. هغه د خپلې مور مدد کوي. He helps his mother. He runs every morning. هغه هر سحر منډه وهي. He runs every morning. He studies daily. هغه روزانه پڑھائی کوي. He studies daily. He sleeps early. هغه وختي ویده کیږي. He sleeps early. He eats with his family. هغه د خپل خاندان سره خوراک کوي. He eats with his family. He watches TV. هغه ټي وي ګوري. He watches TV. He speaks پښتو. هغه پښتو وایي. He speaks پښتو. He comes on time. هغه په وخت راځي. He comes on time. I know him. زه هغه پیژنم. I know him. I like him. زه هغه خوښوم. I like him. یا تاسو ویلی شئ I like him. زما هغه خوښ دی. I saw him. ما هغه ولیدو. I saw him. I helped him. ما د هغه مدد وکړو. I helped him. I called him. ما هغه ته فون وکړو. I called him. I met him. زه د هغه سره میلاو شوم. I met him. I trust him. زه په هغه باور کوم. I trust him. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نور چې کوم ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.